My name is Lucy.
My name is Terry.
Welcome to our live show.
Lucy, these days we see many live shows. They are all introducing how big and how strong of their factories. But it is not too much helpful for our customers. So I think we should prepare some special topic to help our customer how to identify the quality is good or not.
Yes, so today we prepare some testings. After watching our program, you will never worry about boat bag quality. If you have any questions, just leave a message. We will reply you online one by one. For the first 5 customer asking questions, we prepare some wonderful gifts. It will be sent by express to your office.
Wow, it's quite attractive, Lucy. Anyone who is interested, please come and join us.
Terry, I want to ask you, what's the customer mostly wanted when they come to buy from you?
There's no doubt. I think it's good price and a good quality.
Yeah, it's good wishes, but difficult to do. For good price everywhere, but good qualities depends if you have good luck. In the beginning, you just thought you bought LV quality, but finally maybe received the container for a rubbish inside. So next, we will share some testing to show how to identify the quality.
Okay, now let's see the first video. Okay, now it's preparing the test sample, and this is the sample from the testing. It is cut from the billet.
Now already put the samples inside the equipment and began to testing. And testing another point, and we usually choose several points to test. Already have the details.
Yes. And we need to record it.
Already have a 3-point testing. And the print the report.
Yeah, the report. From the report, we can see many data showing if the alloy is qualified or not, if it contains the impurity inside or not. Actually, these are the inspections Wacang is doing every day to control the quality.
Yes, the quality of raw material decides the quality of aluminum profiles. Wacang do the testing for every batch of income aluminum and alloy and billets.
Yes, some profile supplier, they are selling with very cheap price and possible using scraps in the raw materials. So you need to be quite alert before deciding to buy.
Yes. Okay, now the material is guaranteed, and next let's talk about the dimensions. Dimensions is the key point. Decide if the profiles can be used or not. Next, we will show you the testing method of dimensions.
Yes. Each order will have QC to check the section dimension at the beginning of the extrusion. Let's see how Wacang doing this. Okay. This is the dimension at the beginning of quality and the assembly. Yes, now we are checking the detail dimensions and check the thickness. We need to okay.
See from the videos, the profile expecting is very simple dimensions, and this could be measured by hand very easy. For some complex profiles, we have 3D scanner. It can achieve 100% accuracy. Let's see how we test.
Okay, the video please. This is the 3D scanner machine, and we need to start the system. And we need to put the samples. And the texting is running.
Oh, it shows the dimensions is out of tolerance.
Yes. So this sample will be rejected. And except these inspections at the beginning of the extruding, we still inspect more 4 times at course of production.
Yeah.
After extrude and before coating and anodize, before the packing, before loading into container.
Okay, very good control of the dimensions. Next, let's talk about the stressing inspection. For some special parts have very high requirement for the stressings, the tensile testing could identify the profile stronger enough or not.
Yes, the mechanical performance is the main requirement. We do the testing every day according to national and the European standard. Next, show you this test. Linda, please. We are preparing the sample now, and this is the sample from the testing. It's the same sample.
The engineer does some measurement of the standard samples.
Yes. We need to check the dimension, and we need to record into the system, the computer system.
Now
we need to fix.
Set the data. Yeah.
Okay, everything is ready, and the testing is starting.
Oh, it's already broken.
Yes, and such as this. When the tension strength reach the highest value, it got broken, and this is the broken one.
The engineer measured the dimensions of the broken system and so to put the data inside the system to produce the report.
Okay, we have the text is finished, and we have the record now.
This testing showing everything very clear. Stronger or not, just test and see the report.
Okay.
And Terry, look at these samples. The colors is very beautiful.
Yes.
But maybe our customer is worried about the color quality, if it will be varnished or not. Next, we will show you some testing of the surface quality. We show you the testing one by one.
Okay, this video is showing the test of the chemical liquid. We use the chemical liquid during surface treatment process. And every day, the QC need to check the bromide and the anodized liquid, test the components and the concentration, so to ensure the color quality.
According to the content and the concentrate of the liquid, and we will decide to check our liquid is the content is enough or not, and to see if we need to add or to be less. This testings guarantee the stable avogadro colors. And we also have the motor videos, and later plays the video. Yes, the samples already testing in the equipment. From the testing, and we can see if the pH is dropped or not.
So it is especially for the powder coating resistant.
When the video increase to the 5, the testing is finished.
Okay, it's up to the highest value.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Okay.
You can see the testing the samples. The quality, surface quality is very perfect. Not any pH drop.
Yes, yes. And another video, please. 20.
This one called contact testing.
So it's test
yeah, it checks the how coated the surface quality. You can see the sample. You can see the sample. The quality is very now. Yeah,
no
very well. Yes. For more inspections, we have prepared some color samples here. We will show you how to test one by one.
Okay. OK了吗？OK了吗？ Okay, this is the weakest. We use it to check the hardness of the alloy.
And we first check the this anodize the samples. We check the hardness. This one alloy is 60635.
And before the test, we need to check the equipment is working or not.
This standard samples, the hardness standard value is 9.2. It's measured about 10. Yeah. It works properly. Now we test the hardness of these samples. It's up to 14. The standard of these samples, the hardness should be above 8, and our value is 14. It's very perfect. Next, we will show you the tester to test the coat film thickness.
This is the thickness meter, and later in the comment you test some powder coating thickness.
And before testing, we need to check if the meter works properly or not. We check this standard samples. This samples is not coated.
It's zero.
It's 0.
Yes.
So the meters works.
It's working.
Yeah, working. Yeah. Now we check on these powder coated samples.
$97.
Yes. 19.3. 86.
86.
And so the average value is about 19. And for the powder coated color samples, the thickness should be between 14 to 120. So our samples it's a very perfect quality.
And this is the plain film scribe. We use it to check the powder coating resistance.
Now we will show you on this powder coated samples. he will first cut on the samples. Need to cut very deep and through the coat film. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's very clear. Okay, well now we cut another directions. Need to cut very heavy deep. You can see it's very clear, and we touch it and no pit drop out. Let us further check by this tape. Let's see it.
Remove.
We remove the tape now.
No powder drop.
Yeah, you can see the tape is very clear. Shows the cross very clear, and not have any pit drop out.
Yeah, and still the powder is here, nothing drop.
Our samples is very perfect quality.
Okay, the testing is finished.
And sometimes the customer may be required a very high surface quality, not allow any visible defects. If Huachang could supply this or not, let's see next video.
Next video, please. Yes, you see, this order is for our European market. We carrying out 100% inspection. It requires the QC very carefully and costing lots of time and the labor work.
You can see the QC people mark the not qualified profiles.
Yes.
It's testing by hand one by one.
And unqualified product we will send back for the rejection. It's It's very difficult to carry out a bulk production, but we do it every day.
Yeah, excellent. By now, we have shared all our testing. I think customer already have idea what to need to check before negotiate the price. Good price, good quality, not difficult.
Now, our program is almost closing. Our assistant collected many questions from clients. We will answer your questions now one by one.
Thanks for your time.
Yes, thank
Our
you for your
next show
time.
will be after half an hour. Have a break and come to join us.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.